So this is question 4 from the FP1 June 2016 exam paper. So we're looking at question 4, which is to do about complex numbers, but nothing too tricky. So part A, it asks you to express z in the form a plus ib. So notice we've got it, z expresses this originally. So to find z in this form, all we need to do is multiply through by the conjugate of this. So what I'm going to get is 4 times 1 minus I. This is all going to be over 1 plus I multiplied by 1 minus I. These are really bad brackets. Hopefully the point is still clear what's going on. So it's 4 times 1, 4. 4 times minus I, so that's minus 4i. And then this is all divided by, so 1 times 1, so that's 1. I'm going to get a minus I, I'm going to get a plus I, so they'll just cancel. And then I times minus I, so I get minus I squared. Now remember, I squared is minus 1, so minus minus 1, so that's going to give me 1. So what this will be, well, this will be 4 minus 4i divided by 1 plus 1, so it's going to be divided by 2. This just simplifies to 4 divided by 2, so 2 minus 4i divided by 2 minus 2i. And that's part A done for 2 marks. Hopefully it's pretty straightforward. Part B, I should find z squared. So it's nice and easy now once you've got this part. So it's just going to be literally this squared. So that's going to be 2 minus 2i all squared. So that's just going to be 4. Obviously, if you just expand this as brackets, so I'm going to get 4 minus ai. Sorry, this is really neat, unneat, but you know, hopefully it's still clear to see. And I'm going to get plus 4i squared. 4i squared. Now this is just going to simplify because I'm going to get 4 here. Obviously that doesn't change. Minus ai doesn't change. Minus ai. Now 4 lots of minus 1, so that's just going to be minus 4. They'll cancel, just giving me minus 8i. And that's part B done, 2 marks. And then part C, it tells you that z is a complex root of the quadratic equation x squared plus px plus q is equal to 0, where p and q are real integers. And we're asked to find the value of p and the value of q. So the first thing to remember, if you're told that z is a complex root here, so 2 minus 2i is one of the roots of the equation, then the conjugate of this is one of the roots of the equation as well. So I can express this as x minus 2 minus 2i. That's one of the roots. And I can also write this as x minus 2 plus 2i. Remember, the conjugate is just, if I write here, 2 plus 2i. So that's the conjugate for this one. Now all you need to do is expand this across it. Now, to save a bit of time, I'm just going to shortcut it. Hopefully this is what you should get. So x times x, I'm going to get x squared. Now you just multiply across like through FOIL. But remember, this is technically this. That's one term in the bracket. And then the same here with this side. But just to save time, what you will get is you'll get x squared minus 2x minus 2ix minus 2x again plus 2ix, so they're going to cancel, plus 2ix and minus 4i squared. Sorry, that's a bit far away. Minus 4i squared. So that's what you'll get if you expand across correctly. And then if you just collect all your terms, there should also be a plus 4 here, sorry, because minus 2 times the minus 2, so it gives me plus 4. And then collect everything across and just simplify. That's x squared minus 2x minus 2x minus 4x minus 2ix plus 2ix. Well, that just cancels with that. We've already dealt with them. So I've just got minus 4i squared, so that's minus 4 lots of minus 1, so that's plus 4 plus the other 4. And then just simplify again. X squared minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. So therefore, we know that P is this part here, so P minus 4 and Q is equal to this bit here is 8. And there you go. That's for the last 3 marks. Hopefully that's okay.